In this video, we'll show you how to install a soundbar without a template. Let's make our own template. First, we'll need the blue tape and a black Sharpie marker. We'll put some tape on the back of the soundbar and mark it where the holes are on the soundbar and put the holes on the blue tape too. Next, we'll take that blue tape and position it onto the wall. We want to make sure that the tape is level, so let's go get our level. Now that we have our level, let's level the blue tape. Right there. Okay, looks level. Now let's install the 30-pound molly. Check with your manufacturer to make sure you install the soundbar with the right equipment. Now that the mollies are in, let's put in the screws. Now let's put the soundbar on the wall. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Bye-bye.